GoCopy AI is making waves in the generative AI world, but before you hit that buy button, there are 12 crucial things you need to know, and some of them might surprise you. Stick around because understanding these points could save you both time and money. First up, GoCopy AI shines in creating marketing copy quickly, from ad headlines to email templates. But how does it stack up to competitors like Jasper or Copy.ai? The truth is, its library of templates is slightly smaller, which may limit versatility for some users. Next thing, the pricing model is appealing for smaller teams or individuals, but if you're scaling up, the costs climb quickly compared to competitors offering more robust enterprise solutions. Always compare subscription tiers to see what fits your budget best. The third thing to note, GoCopy AI focuses heavily on simplicity. That's great if you want a streamlined experience, but some advanced users may find the customization options lacking. Jasper, for example, offers more depth for those who need niche content generation. The fourth thing is quality. GoCopy AI produces polished results for general content, but when it comes to industry-specific or technical writing, you may find competitors like WriteSonic more adept at nailing the tone and details. Next, integrations matter. GoCopy AI works well with tools like Google Docs and WordPress, but compared to Jasper's seamless CRM and social media integrations, it might feel a bit limited. This could be a deciding factor if your workflow relies on multiple platforms. Moving on, let's talk about SEO. GoCopy AI includes basic keyword suggestions, but it doesn't match Surfer SEO's level of optimization tools. If ranking on search engines is a priority, you might need to supplement GoCopy AI with other software. Seventh, collaboration features are available but not standout. For teams, the limited project management tools mean it's not as effective as platforms like Copy AI, which include more robust collaboration options. Next thing, customer support is decent, but not exceptional. You can expect prompt responses during business hours, but don't expect 24/7 support like you'd get with Jasper or WriteSonic. The ninth thing, AI advancements. GoCopy AI regularly updates its algorithms, but the pace isn't as fast as some of the top competitors, which means newer features may take longer to roll out here. 10th, user experience is intuitive, making it beginner-friendly. However, for power users who demand more advanced capabilities, this simplicity might feel restrictive over time. Next thing, the AI's tone adaptability is decent, but not the best. Competitors like Jasper offer more nuanced tone options for personalizing content, which can make a big difference in resonating with specific audiences. Finally, GoCopy AI is a good all-rounder, but it doesn't have a unique selling point that sets it apart in a crowded market. Many users find themselves considering alternatives for better value or functionality as their needs grow. In summary, GoCopy AI is a solid choice for basic generative AI needs, but if you're looking for something more advanced, tailored, or budget-friendly, there are better options out there. If you want to explore one of the top alternatives, check out our recommended solution. It's free to try, so you can see if it fits your needs perfectly.